All right, we got another box in, and it's funny because this one right here, it's from Driving Impressions, and just that whole entire thing right there is kind of silly to be saying. Coq-le-shell court, or cockless court, I don't know. Let's see what we got in here. All right, finally. I feel like this is very nostalgic because when we first rebuilt the car, if you guys haven't seen the video, go ahead and scroll through it. I think it's like part or the unboxing or part 1 of fixing Penny. But we were waiting so long for the cam carrier gasket to come in. And it's funny because it came from die course too, so it's hard to see. It's in black. This is the valve cover gasket. I was worried it wasn't going to come with it because it's such a little tiny box. But then again, I forget you can kind of fold this up and manipulate it. But then also, it's hard to see our tube seals right here. So hopefully this fixes our issue to the Fiat. This is amazing to have it. And then also we have our drain plug because the one on the car now is super cheap. So hopefully this one doesn't strip on us as fast as the other one, even if I use an American 13mm socket. All right, so our paint right here. Let me see here. Let me not stab myself or anything. Put you guys down. So with the paint, I am gonna paint it in-house. I do have a heat gun in here, and it's a lot less wind. Since I don't have a professional place to do it in-house. So we are going to Wrinkle Plus VHC. It's gonna be that nice red. All right, guys, so this is the last piece of the puzzle. So I'm actually in the middle of editing another video right now. So I have unboxed previously our radiator for a Honda Civic. This is all for the Honda Civic. Unboxed the turbo thing, and then I put that together. So this one right here, it is return requested back into my city, which is weird. I think all these parts came from Japan, so that's what we were waiting for. Of course, with a JDM car, you have to go with real JDM parts to where they're cheaper than here in the US, because dealerships like to mark things up. Okay, let's see here. I'm just gonna go all in. Alright, we got our serpentine belt, looks like, for the Honda Civic. That is awesome. What else did I order? No clue. Unless it's an oil filter, which I hope it is, because I was kind of missing it. This ain't happening. Hold on, guys. Alright. Don't do that. Oh, yeah, look at that. Beefy water pump. Holy hell. This thing looks amazing, and they included the gasket as well. So, this is our factory OEM Honda Civic water pump. Holy, this thing is huge. It's massive. I mean, because the other one that we had was off the car and it was busted, and it was plastic. This one's aluminum, so I hope it fits. We'll find out in the next video. Let's see what this is. Feels like a filter. And this one is from Jake Price at Royalty Automotive in New Jersey. Yep, and this is our oil filter. Now, by this time in this video, you guys already, if you guys haven't already clicked into the full-on playlist of all my... Alright guys, so really quick, I am here at work. I do have to put in this little clip really quick because something bad really happened, and that is that I deleted a previous video on accident. I was too busy you know, going through my videos, making sure everything's nice, it's not copyrighted and all that stuff, and my mom was blowing up my phone and everything, so I got distracted reading the messages and I accidentally hit delete. So the video of me and Happy painting the valve cover and putting it onto the car and all the hard work and everything, gone. I do have this short little 2-minute clip that I'm going to show you guys right now. In the next video, you'll hear me say it again, will probably be Civic repair. I also have a Joyner Lucas movie music festival video that will be playing as well. Let's see how long that lasts. Alright, so I found another location that's kind of quiet for like 2 seconds. Arm Wrestling Whispers. If you guys haven't checked them out on TikTok, that's exactly where this audio is used from. And if it's too graphic for your ears, you know what to do, put it on mute. But yeah, watch the, enjoy it.
That's it. Good. Yeah. That's it. Stay close to it. Stay close to it. That's it. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Stand up. That's it. That's it. That's it. Don't worry. Don't worry. You're gonna start to feel something now. Are you ready? Good. I'm gonna go a little bit, okay? All right. That's it. Come in there and match me. That's it. Yeah, grab higher up on my hand. That's it. That's it. Grab higher still. That's it. Bring the elbow close to you. Inside. Put your elbow inside your body. Inside your body. That's it. And don't be afraid. You can go a little bit. That's it. There we go. That's it. Release that. Fight me. That's it. That's it. That's what you're here for. Fight it. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it up. That's it. That's it. Don't give up now. Don't give up. I'm gonna go a little bit, okay? Are you ready? Go. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot to take. Okay? Finish it. Oh, that's all I'm here. I'm not here to finish it. There's only one thing. I'm here for you. When you're finished, I'll be finished too. That's it. That's it. Have you had enough? Some people like to be hurt.
Pin me.
Are you sure?
Pin me.
I'm gonna hurt you a little. I'm gonna hurt you. Just be careful now. I'm gonna finish. Ready? Thank you.
2 weeks in high school. Right. That was good.
Videos, the Fiat is not running. I've already uploaded the video with taking everything apart with the valve cover and everything, and you see me and Happy, we painted it. So even though I have this, I was actually smart enough to keep my oil. These are new spark plugs, new oil filter. I bought cheap oil, and I did that because I had a feeling that the car wasn't going to run. Now I did do new tube seals, new valve cover seals, and it's still leaking oil. It's not part of the top part of the engine, so that car I'm pretty sure needs new piston rings because there's no water. There's no mixture going on in the oil. It's still coming out blacker than ever. That means that the oil is being burnt. That is gonna be it for today's unboxing video for the Honda Civic, and I'm gonna be including everything. Everything's all just coming together, but this is like the end clip for everything. Radiator, water pump, serpentine belt. What else we got? We got the turbo actuator, we got the plugs and everything that goes in with it, and then we had the valve cover, the tube seals, spark plugs, oil filters. A lot of unboxing videos. So I lost some content of unboxing the Radiator. That was, I think, one video, but everything else we got it in. And the next video will be fixing the Honda Civic, or even our car meet happening this Sunday in Bueno Park. So if you guys are interested in stopping by, look at Detail Garage, come say hi to me. I do believe we have, which we uploaded a little earlier, Donuts and Wheels, that they'll be coming out. So hopefully we'll be able to get some merch from them too. Funds are a little bit tight, but maybe even have them help us offer on a raffle one of their hoodies. We'll find out. Stay chill. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out all the other videos, guys.